everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. My name is Jackie. I hope you hit that subscribe button to be notified whenever I upload a video. Or you can follow me on all my social medias. I have Twitter and I have Instagram, and I also have a fashion blog, fashionxfairytale.com, which are always linked down below in the description. For today's video, I'm going to be sharing a come pack with me. I love watching these videos. I love how people organize things and just see how they pack for their vacation. So my dad and I are going on a weekend trip. We are going to Hanford, California, so it's like Central California. We are gonna take a bus and then a train there. I've never taken a train before, and that's one of my goals. So I get to complete a goal in life, and that's so exciting. I thought I would document it, so I'm going to be vlogging my adventure. We're leaving on Thursday. I'm filming this on Tuesday, so I have only 2 days to pack. We think we might go 2 or 3 days. I don't know. I'm gonna overpack because I'm such an overpacker. I went on a weekend trip once and I packed 2 suitcases and then a huge overnight bag. So I like to overpack, but hopefully I can condense it down. I'm gonna do some outfit planning. I have some notes on my phone of outfits that I'm going to take. And this is just gonna be a very fun come pack with me. So let's just get my suitcase underneath my bed and start packing. Here is my suitcases underneath. I actually have, I think, 6 suitcases underneath my bed, but my luggage set has 3 suitcases, and I get to pull this out now. Get it out. I haven't used this suitcase since New York in December, so that's why it still has the tags on it. And up on the bed. Ta-da! So here is my suitcase. This is 3 sizes, so this is the largest one I own, and then there's a medium one and a small size. I'm debating if I should take the medium size or the small carry-on size. I'm probably going to take the medium so it can all fit in there, but I really want to take the small, but as I said, I overpacked. So I'm going to open this up and see which one I'm going to use. This is the medium inside, and then there's one more in here, which is the small. I think I decided on the medium, so that's what we're gonna go with. Now here is what we're gonna be working with. I have my packing cubes and my suitcase all laid out, so now let's outfit plan. So I have a list on my phone of all the outfits that I can bring, and then I also have a packing list that I check off all the time to see what I'm going to bring for whatever I'm going to be doing. This is my closet area. I tried to do a closet spring clean declutter in my weekly vlog number 5, so I got it messed up again, but we're just gonna go through all the different outfits and all the different clothing items and which ones I'm going to bring. I already have an idea of what top I want to wear, so I'm going to dig around for it in here. It is right here, so I'm just going to pull that out and then stuff all my clothes back in. And yeah, this thing is leaning like crazy. I have to fix that. So this is the first item that I know I'm going to take with me. For the bottoms, I'm gonna take some denim jeans with me. So I'm gonna take this pair right here, and these are perfect. Now the accessories for this, I'm gonna take this bag right here, my round rattan bag. So I'm gonna pack this one. Since I have that blue top, I'm just gonna grab that blue bow to match, so I'm gonna pack it with it. My shoe rack is a mess at the moment, excuse that, but I'm gonna take these brown sandals to match that brown bag. Then I'm just gonna lay down the items that I just got from my closet. Make a little flat lay with them. Now that it's laid out on my bed, I just take my phone and take a quick snapshot of it so I can keep it on reference of the outfit that I'm gonna wear. Then I just go through the rest of my wardrobe, pick everything that I want out, and repeat those steps. I'll take pictures of the outfits that I created, and I have them for reference when I'm there. So I've laid out all the clothes that I'm going to take. So you saw that outfit already. I have another one under here, another one over here, And then these are pajamas, some camis to sleep with, socks, underwear. And then I'm just taking this one big fluffy coat because it might get cold down there, so I want a nice warm fluffy coat to wear. And then I have that tote bag that's gonna be my carry-on, and then the suitcase as well. So this is it all laid out. I'm gonna take pictures, then I'm gonna roll them up and then put it in the packing cubes. And so far this is my progress. I only pack 1, 2, 3 outfits, and then I'm gonna have a separate outfit for the train. And then yeah, I think this is good for maybe 2 or 3 days. Since I'm a blogger and take pictures, I take more than what I'm supposed to because it's my job to take pictures. So that's why I have more outfits than days that I'm going, but it's nice to have options. I have 3 pairs of shoes that I'm taking. I don't know if that's counted as shoes, but those are my flip-flops that I'm taking. I think I'm gonna take another bag, so I have that round one besides my Kate Spade tote over here. I'm gonna take one more bag just in case. I love having bags with me, and I just need to have them for accessorizing. I also have these bows for different outfits. So I have a hair scarf, this blue bow, and then a bow scrunchie. So it's all planned out really well, so I'm really happy with that. Here's the progress that I made so far. So all the outfits fit in the large packing cube. The smallest one has my pajamas and camis. This medium one has all the shoes that I'm taking. And this has my underwear in it. In here is where I put all my hair accessories. And so far it's looking pretty organized and pretty neat. Now I'm going to be taking the packing cubes and just arranging them in this pocket right here. Putting the shoes on the bottom right there, and then take the largest packing cube and just put it right there in the middle, and then this one can just scrunch over and fit right there. So I can just put my underwear on top, and then this bag can probably go on this side so it doesn't get smushed. And then these two, I'm just gonna leave this one for my laundry bag, and I'm gonna put some cords and all that in this one. Almost forgot my teddy bear jacket, so I'm just going to place it flat like that, and then put the bag underneath it again, and voila, that fits perfectly. Now I just need to do my toiletries and my makeup and beauty stuff, and I'm all packed. Just packed my makeup bag. So I did a video about my travel makeup bag already, I think a year ago, but this is like the updated version. It has a lot of the same products, but I'm taking the Zoella X Colourpop brunch palette. It's my everyday palette, all my everyday makeup. I put the brushes here, and then this is my skincare body stuff. So I have these like razor things that I was gonna throw away, but they actually can store stuff, and it's really tight. So this has my face wash in it. This one has some other a moisturizer. I have a lip scrub in here. Then I have my body wash, a toothbrush, some toothpaste, my Bliss makeup remover as well as like moisturizer and like my skincare routine, and like all these bottles. So that is packed nicely. And then I'm taking these makeup wipes as well. So that's pretty much my beauty stuff all packed up. So I think I'm almost packed with my suitcase. I'm going to do my carry-on next, but I will show you that later because I'm gonna have dinner. I'm gonna take a quick break, and then I'll be back to show you what's in my carry-on and how I'm gonna pack that. So I'm back now, and I'm going to finish off with my carry-on. I think I'm all done with my suitcase. I think I packed everything I want to. I do still have one more day to think about it. In case I need something else, I can just add it in, but for now I think I'm happy with it. This is the carry-on that I'm gonna take. This was my Christmas present and I haven't actually used it to go traveling, so this is the perfect time. It has bows all over it. It's from Kate Spade. I don't think they make it anymore. I got it on Black Friday and then it was a Christmas present to myself, so yeah. It's really fun and pretty and so me, so I get to fill it up. And yes, I'm going on a bus and a train as well, so I need a carry-on and a suitcase, and then we're gonna drive back here. So we're gonna make a road trip out of it in the end. So that's why I have all this stuff as well. Instead of actually like taking everything out like usually people do, I'm actually going to pack this with you. So I know some people do a what's in my carry-on and then they take everything out that they put in. I'm gonna put everything back into it because it is empty right now. So let's just fill it up. This is the laptop sleeve I had. I got it with my first laptop that I bought 4 or 5 years ago now. I don't know when I bought my laptop. It is not with me anymore, but I still use the case. I could not find a hot pink one that fit my laptop at the time, and I still haven't like searched for one. So for now I've been using this. It has been with me for a long time and it is a bit dirty, but I still use it whenever I need to travel. I'm gonna take my laptop with me because I'm gonna edit on the train. There's gonna be a plug, so I'm just going to edit some of my videos on the train, maybe even edit this one. So I'm just going to put it inside its sleeve. Okay, that is fact, and it's the first thing going into the bag. Then we have my laptop charger. Of course, I need to take it with the laptop. In it goes. Next, I'm just going to be taking my iPad with me. I take it pretty much everywhere whenever I travel, so it's going to go with me. The case is really like torn up and broken. I need to get a new case as well, but for now, this is coming with me so I can watch movies on it. In it goes. So I got this cord organizer when I left the Philippines, so it's just gonna have all my cords and my power bank in it. So this is what it looks like. I'm just gonna take my power bank and it fits nicely in this slot right here, and then I'm gonna take a few lightning cords because I have 2 iPhones, so I need to charge both of them. So I'm just gonna wrap that up and put it in the cord organizer. My iPhone charger and then my iPad charger. So I'll wrap this up and put it in the organizer as well. I'm gonna be taking a few headphones. So this one is with the actual like regular headphone slot, so this can go on my laptop. And then I have the lightning cable ones for my iPhone, so I'm taking those. And I also have AirPods, so this can hook up to my laptop as well, but if they run out of battery, then I have a backup. So that's why I bring all of those, because it is a nightmare when you don't have headphones. So I'm gonna put that into this slot of the cord organizer, so everything's nice and secure. And I just put the band around it, and there we have it. And then I'm gonna put it in this pouch so it doesn't get all like disorganized in my bag. So this is just the laundry bag that comes with my packing set. I use it for like cords like this and just as a pouch more instead of a laundry thing. So I'm just going to put the rest of my cords in here. I wouldn't be a vlogger without having an extra battery and a charger and another battery for this camera. So this camera is coming with me. That's the last thing that's gonna go in here. I have the stand too, so I'm gonna put that in here so it's all complete. And that is everything that I want to put inside this pouch. So into the bag it goes. Then I have some sunglasses. So I have 2 pairs that I've been loving. This one is a plain black pair, if I can get it out. So it's just a plain black pair, and then my favorite spring shades right now. So I'm gonna take both of these with me, and you need sunglasses during a road trip. So I'm gonna take those. I think I'm just gonna put them together because why not? They fit. Into the bag it goes. Of course, I'm gonna take my phone. So I have my Philippine phone still, my iPhone X. and then this is my US phone. So I take both these with me, and then it's gonna go into the zip pocket here on the back side. Last thing, I'm going to take a water bottle with me and maybe a few snacks I'm gonna pack right before I leave. So in it goes. And that is everything inside my carry-on. And when I'm packing, I might throw in a few more things. It depends. I don't know yet. But yeah, this is everything. It is a bit heavy, so hopefully I can carry it, but I'll have my suitcase with me, so that's fine. And yeah, that is everything in my carry-on and what I'm traveling with. That is my pack with me for my weekend getaway. I hope you enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed packing and showing you my process, because I've done a few blog posts on how I pack and all that, and it's always fun, so I thought I would do it in video form this time. And if I can link any of this down below, I will. I think I can link my packing cubes. My suitcase I bought in the Philippines like a year or 2 years ago now. But whatever I can link down below, I will, so you can check that out if you want to. And that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, so please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye everyone!